how to connect Blum wallet very easily here on your PC or on your mobile device. For this, I will take a reference to the official Blum website, and in this, I'm going to show you how you can connect Blum wallet. Open the app and go to the wallet section here on the fourth setting. That will be the most right corner of the screen option on the bottom. That will you will see as called wallet. Click on the connect wallet app option on your application here on your app of Blum wallet, and then you will see that connect one of the available wallets from your account on your Blum wallet. So you can choose Stonekeeper, you can choose DefeatNet, you can choose any type of wallet you want to add in this. And yes, after simply connecting your wallet, it will be added to your account. This is the quick and very easy step to do, but thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching such amazing videos, reviews and updates like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe our channel.